Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, hope so you are doing well. If you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe to my channel and never forget to press the bell icon to get more updates about the video. So guys, today in this video we will discuss about the Bitcoin. In this video we will see about the Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin and how to use the Bitcoin. So hope so you will understand this video. So if you are new on my channel, so please firstly like and share and subscribe. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. So basically the Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the coin that is used in cryptocurrency. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, if you want to select a coin to buy cryptocurrency, if you want to to earn money from cryptocurrency, you can select the Bitcoin. That is the most famous coin in the world. So guys, basically I will tell you the history about the Bitcoin. Before you just have to go on a Google page and search what is Bitcoin. So there will be many websites that will provide you the information about the Bitcoin, but the best website that I will tell you is the Bitcoin official website. So there are mostly websites will provide you the information that are not related to you, that will not provide you the enough information, but the best website is the official website of the Bitcoin. You just have to select the website and click the website. So the website name is bitcoin.com. You just have to select this website. After opening this website, you will get the information about all the information about the Bitcoin. You will see about the options that are using in the Bitcoin. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. So just have to you just when you open that website, you will see about the all information that are provided you in the website. So guys, as you can see that there are many coins that are using in cryptocurrency, but the top coin, that is Bitcoin, the top mostly used coin is Bitcoin. So basically the history of Bitcoin is that the Bitcoin is invented in 2009, and the Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin. That is the founder of Bitcoin, but he uses fake name. Is the individual worker and he designed the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was invented in 2009, but now Bitcoin is the most famous coin in the world. So Bitcoin is mostly used in the world, and most Bitcoin is mostly used in the countries. So guys, you can earn money from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is mostly provided money. So guys, the quantity of Bitcoin is mostly than the other coins. You can use Bitcoin in every currency, in every kind of stocks, bonds, and in every kind of transactions. So it is very useful currency in cryptocurrency. It is very useful in cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, you can buy the value as you want to buy the cryptocurrency, as you want to buy the Bitcoin. So there are many values of Bitcoin. If you want to buy in your range, you can buy cryptocurrency. You can buy Bitcoin and you can store in cryptocurrency. So when you will store your Bitcoin in a cryptocurrency, there is the process in cryptocurrency that is called mining. And through the mining process, the mining process will generate coins. The mining process will use computer power to solve mathematical problems, and it will generate your coins. And when your coins will generate, your Bitcoins will increasing and increasing. So you can earn money from you can earn money to store Bitcoin. So this is the history of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the very famous coin. There are many things that are used in Bitcoin. You can use Bitcoin in stocks, you can use Bitcoin in bonds. You can also use Bitcoin in Binance is the other app that is used to store cryptocurrencies. So in Binance you can also use Bitcoin. So I told you everything about the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is mostly famous to used in the cryptocurrency. So it is the top mostly coins you that is used after Bitcoin. There is the other coin is Litecoin, and after Litecoin the other coin is Ripple. So guys, hope so you understand this video will be very helpful for you to provide information about the Bitcoin. So if you have any related problem to the about the video, you can comment me. You can ask me any question about the video. This video will be very helpful for you to get information about the video. So if you are new on my channel and you like my video, you please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and with press the bell icon to get more updates about the video. So guys, hope so you are doing well. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. So give me the permission. Allah Hafiz.